Hello there. Today I wanted to go through how to use the WorkSmarter CRM to schedule your social media posts. And today is the launch of the addition of Facebook groups and Instagram as options to schedule using the WorkSmarter CRM. So very exciting stuff here. And it's fairly easy to do. So I'm sure you will be able to pick this up very quickly, but wanted to walk through some of the main points here. Switch over to my screen. And if you're watching today and you have questions or comments, please make sure to accept StreamYard so I can see who it is. And I am in a different window, so I may not see your question immediately, but I will come back to the questions area. Okay, so the social media scheduling is accessed by going on to marketing on the sidebar, and it will open up directly into the social planner. As you can see here, it just gives you a quick summary of your social media activity. It gives you a status of the accounts that you have connected. So I've connected today 2 groups and my Instagram, which is why you can see there's no posts, and that I have been using this to schedule posts to both my Google My Business and my business page. And then down here is showing you the recent activity. So you can see what posts have occurred, when they were published, and also by whom. So I am having someone help me so you can see, I can see her name here for who's publishing certain things and then to which account it's going to. And I can also see which posts have failed. So I recently had to update my Facebook login because someone was spoofing my account, unfortunately. So I forgot to come in here and update my password. So these posts failed. And then if you have any posts in draft, it'll also show here. So this is a great summary. And then to actually see the schedule, which is my preferred view, is you click on this open planner up here. So this shows you the actual schedule on a calendar, which again, I found this really helpful. All right. And you can see it by week or month, and it highlights the day that we are on. So when you're on this view, you can click the little plus sign and go ahead and start a post. And I can select which social media platform I want to post to. And I've been doing this individually because I'm trying out posting, the proper size image for the, social channel. But you can also select multiple if you wanted. And then what you can add here will change depending on which social channel you selected. So this is Instagram, and I wanted to show you, here we go, Google My Business, because that does look different. So Google My Business, it's also telling you the character limit since there are differences between these social channels. And with Google My Business, you have this added feature of being able to clarify like what your link is, what you want to call it, that sort of thing. So just pay attention to that. If you are doing multiple at a time, it does try to make sure you have access to all of those features, but the limitation on the characters will be the smallest number, so Google My Business has a lower character limit than if I was posting directly to Instagram. All right, so that's the view here. Now, how to add social channels. Up across the top here, you click on that drop down and it will walk you through the process of adding a social media account, which is again super easy. I will say if you've integrated Facebook and Instagram in your settings area, you're going to want to do it again here. They're kind of two different connections. The one that you do in the settings area is for the direct messages, whereas this one is for the social posting. I'm sure they will merge, but at this point, they're kind of separate. And then if you need to make changes to what you've connected or to check anything, you click on that gear. So that is a quick how-to summary of how to use the social planner. I hope that you start using it, and let me know how you like it, what's working for you, and if you have any challenges. This is new. You should see this send feedback, and you'll send that directly to the developers, which is awesome. And I think that's really it. So let me stop sharing here and go back. All right. Well, I don't see any questions. So I'm going to hop off, and thank you for joining me for this week's How to Use the Social Media Scheduler.